Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going for an outing. Quickly let me do my hairdo. Where did my clip go? Yeah, this one I got it. Now let me quickly do it. This clip is looking so boring. I'm not going to wear this today. What to do? Idea. Let me DIY it. For this I'm going to take a glittery foam sheet, scissors and also some beads. Now let's get started. I will draw a rough sketch of a bow on the back side of the foam sheet and cut it out. Like this type of bow I will make to make it a pair, just like this. And here I got the bow, and here's the bead and a thread. I have inserted the bead in the thread and then now gonna tie the bead in the bow just to secure it. Comment down below some pink heart if you all guys liked my today's DIY video. After having done this, I will cut the excess thread which is coming out. This is almost done. Now with the help of a hot glue gun, I will attach the bow into the clip. The same thing I'm gonna do with the other clip as well to make it a pair. And ta-da! This is done. It is looking so cute, isn't it? Comment down below how it is looking. Isn't this a cute, good looking last minute wala DIY video? The smile in my face shows that I am looking so happy and feeling not boring in this look, right guys? More such DIY videos are coming, so stay tuned. Now I am good to go for an outing. Hey listen, your clip is looking so amazing. Where did you buy it? Oh, is it? Thank you so much. I have made it by myself. Please check my DIYs. Thank you so much.